How to find Wi-Fi streaming quality settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Wi-Fi streaming quality settings on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer and here you will find settings in the top corner. Click on it and now click here audio and then just click Wi-Fi. And as you see here, you can manage Wi-Fi streaming quality settings. You can make it high quality or standard or basic. Just select anything you want here and that's it. It will be saved and that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.